The Cryptide sneaker from Syntratech is a fully 3D printed shoe that might just be the future of footwear. It's made out of just one material, a special polymer called TPE elastomer. The TPE is thicker and thinner in different places, meaning that specific parts of the shoe are rigid while others are soft and flexible. This means the shoe is both comfortable and incredibly fast to manufacture, as the whole thing can be printed out in one go, without requiring any stitching or gluing. The Cryptide's scaffolding-style sole means that the sneakers are incredibly comfortable,